Hello friends, today we are going to solve Amazon interview question. So this question was asked in online assessment for Amazon SDE position. So the question is validate binary search tree. In this one we are given a binary search tree and we need to check if it follows the BST properties like the left subtree of node contain only nodes with key less than nodes key. So the in this example the left one should have value less than all the elements on right like 2 3, and right subtree of node contain only nodes with greater than nodes key. So all the nodes on the right of 2 should have greater value than 2. So for example in sample 1 we see the tree is 213. The all left values of 2 are less than 2 or 3 are less than 3, and similarly all values to right of 2 are greater than 2 or 2 greater than 1 are all uh, on the right are all greater than 1. So this is a valid tree. In this example like we can see 5 1 4, the left one is less than 5 but the right one should be greater than 5, but it's not that case, so this is not a valid tree. So how to check this? So we can see it like in the first example it was 213. So here 213, what we'll do is we will check the low and high values. Initially we will set them as uh, int min and int max. So when we'll go to right, we will update the maximum value to the value of node. So the when we go to 1, the maximum value will be 2. When we go to 3, the minimum value will be 2. So we will validate whether these values lie in this range or not. For example, when we go from 5 to 1, we will change high to 5. So 1 should be greater than low and less than 5. When we go to 4, we will update the minimum. The minimum will be 5, but 4 does not lie in this range of 5 to maximum because it is less than 5. So uh, we can say that this is not a valid tree. So how to solve this? So it can be done using simple recursion. For example, let me write the code. So low high base condition if root is null. So if it's null, we assume that it's true. Now we'll take the value of the node. We will validate if it lies in the range of low to high or not. Means if it's correct or not. So uh, if uh, value is greater than low and let's just call it val was is greater than low and val is less than high. So if it's greater than low and greater than high, then we'll check its uh, child. Otherwise, if it's not valid, then we'll just return false. Now when we reach here, we will check its child. For example, when we grow from 2, we will check for 1 and 3 individually. So we will go in recursion root dot left. So the for left subtree, the value of low will be same. The value of high will be the uh, value of node. Now we will check the right subtree. The value of low will be right of node and the high will be same as previous. Now we need to return end of both because both should be true for valid binary tree. Now we need to call this function return recur. So for low value, the value of int is 10 to 9, so we'll use some bigger value like 10 raised to 10 minus 10 raised to 10 for low. Similarly 10 raised to 10 for high. Now just check. Okay. Okay. Oh, some small mistake. Come on, man. Let's submit it. Okay, cool. Successful. So our code is correct. So what we did is we just check if the value lies in the range of low to high. If it's not, we'll just return false. If it is lying, then we will check for left subtree and right subtree, and we'll update low and high for those. Similar to this, we'll update low, high. So that is the code, and this question was asked in Amazon online assessment. So I hope you enjoyed.